Hello everybody, this is Lexvss Group. Now we are showing you how to install Lexvss screen protector to your mobile. Step 1. Open your package and check the spare part carefully. Spare part is including glass, cleaning clothes, wet and dry cleaning wipe, and dust remover. Step 2. Clean your screen. Use the provided wet cleaning wipe to clean off the entire screen. Next, wipe the screen with the dry cleaning wipe. And finally, use the dust remover to clean the screen again. Pay attention. Do not touch the device screen once it's clean. Step 3. Hold the side of the glass so the protective layer is facing down. Push the number 1 back sticker to remove the entire protective layer. Do not touch the adhesive side once the protective layer is removed. Step 4. Hold the flaps on the two ends and slowly lower the uncovered adhesive side to your screen while carefully aligning it with the side. Button and home button of your device. If it does not align perfectly, gently lift immediately and adjust until you are satisfied. Step 5. Once in place, lightly tap the center and slide your forefinger across the middle in the shape of a cross. Step 6. Use your fingers to freely push bubbles out from the center toward the edge. Step 7. Remove the flaps on the two ends and use cleaning cloths to polish your screen protector. Remember, this is Lexvss product. Thank you.